What is a key challenge to urban commerce in Tier 2 cities like Warangal? Lack of skilled labor, poor digital infrastructure, high property taxes, over-reliance on agriculture. Poor digital infrastructure. Explanation. Poor digital infrastructure is a significant impediment to urban commerce in Tier II cities. Modern commerce relies heavily on digital transactions, online marketing, efficient supply chain management, and access to a broader customer base. Inadequate internet connectivity, limited access to e-commerce platforms, and a lack of digital literacy among businesses and consumers hinder growth and competitiveness. Businesses struggle to